Good morning, welcome to Hackistan, and now we are going to just make another video for one more interesting, the hacking based demo. Today, guys, we have a the target is to hack the invite code for the very famous CTF name is a hack the box, which is a very good CTF being very popular among the people, especially those who are enthusiast about the information security and ethical hacking, penetration testing. So this is the platform basically freely available for all those people to perform, perform a various sort of the penetration testing over and to test their skills and their level. So the major challenging part of the hack the box CTF is to invite to hack the invite code, which is very challenging in itself. But I'm gonna show you a very simple method of hacking it. So for which I'm gonna use a Kali Linux 2018.3a, the version as of now that I'm using. You may be using the the latest version or whichever the version that you have got it. So let's go for it. So uh, this is the Kali Linux that I'm using right now. All right, there we go. So after that, just what we have to do is we have to simply type hack the box. So this is basically the official website address, which is www.hackthebox.eu. All right, so after that, as soon as you just comes here, just click on join hack the box, and here we have to put the invite code which we actually don't know. So what we have to do is we have to just click on inspect element, and we have to scroll little, and hope you can see that, guys, that js slash invite api dot min dot js, that is javascript has that address. All right, so what we need to do is we need to just copy this address. All right, and open the another address. Now we need to just type hack the box, and we need to, oh, sorry. So the code that we have copied, we have to just put it just after the official website. So this is the one of the the directory where this information resides. So there we have to look for the command, which is the make invite code, that string that we have to just copy in the form of command, guys. We'll just simply copy, come back here, refresh. All right, and after that we just have to simply click on console. And let's paste. Okay, so most of you people who are doing this practical with me or if doing the first time, so there may be some error comes to you saying that you are not allowed to uh, you know put some command or something here. So please do not do that, because directly if it is giving you error, so what you have to do is there is a one command that you have to just put it here, which means is which command is actually allow pasting and enter. So as soon as you put this, automatically all the blocking the process will get away, and you just can paste any command here. So I have a make invite code, bracket start and close, and enter. As soon as you put this, it accept, just click on undefined and scroll a little bit down, click on object. There we go. So we have got the data which is encrypted with the base 64 value. base64 encoding method. So I just have copied it. All right. So after that, what I just can do is, since I have got the details that actually this data has been, this string has been encoded with the base64, so I'll be using one of the utility of the Kali Linux with same name base64 to decode the same value. So since I have got the data which is in the form of string, this is the encoded value by the way, so I'll type echo and paste the same detail here, space pipe base64 dash t to decode, and we have got the value which is decoded from this encoded base64 data. So this is basically one the URL that we have to use to generate the the invite code. So how we have to use it? For this we have to use a command curl, is one of the very good tool to retrieve and to a request and reply some specific set of the commands that we wants to instruct towards to the server and to retrieve some specific information from. So all right, after that I'm just gonna use a command as xpost. So basically guys, most of you people will be having any doubt or maybe confusion that why we are using expose. So basically x dash x nothing but it treats itself as a request, uh, basically kind of request which ask to the end user that what sort of method you would like to use to send a request to the server. So that is what I have used the post, that I'm gonna use a command post where I'm gonna send a request to the respective hack the box server, and the value that I decoded. So what we'll be doing is I will be giving instruction that to request to server with the help of post method through the dash x, which is treating itself as a request that I told you earlier. So it will be just putting a one request over the server and will generate a one code for us. So it has successfully requested, and this is also one base64 guys encoded value, that you can see that a simple method of recognizing base64 encoded values, that it always gets end with the equal to. So I'll just be simply copying this again, and what I'll do is I'll be simply typing echo and the encoded value here, pipe base64 dash t to decode, and there we go. So we have got guys finally the code that we have hacked it finally, and we can use it now. So let's try our luck. All right, so there we go, sign up. So super. So guys, as you can see that successfully it has accepted our invite code. So now we can create a user an account using this based on the detail that we are going to provide it, username, emails, password, and the other details that it is requiring for. So hope this video you would be liking. If you like this video, and if you want me to just make any specific video, any specific subject, or maybe specific the hacking demonstration that you are interested in, so just please keep posting your comments. You just can reach out to us anytime, and in case if you have any query for us, that will be welcome guys. So I'll keep you updating with the new videos that I'll be keep creating. Please make sure Hackeristan is a freely available platform for we all kind of people who are very interested and keen to learn the new methodology, new demonstration, new tools, and a new application hacking methodology in terms of having and grabbing the new penetration testing skills. So please just subscribe my like channel, also just forward the same channel detail to your near and dears who will be also just would like to have a look onto the same, and in case if they're interested will join. So that way that we can have a very big group to have a discussion over on many things and a many different kind of like subject. It may be application, network, mobile, or the various other sort of platform. So hope you guys like this video, and please keep watching such videos to improve your knowledge, and keep sharing your comments and valuable advice. So I'll keep following up them strictly without fail. I'll make sure. So also another one request is, please just guys press the bell icon, so it will be helping me that like to send you the next video notification to your inbox. So thank you so much guys, see you soon. Thank you, take care, bye bye.